here. So this package has been with me for like 2 years now, and yes, I've unboxed it before, so this is going to be like re-unboxing. But the major reason I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to show off some cool products to you guys. And keep in mind, these products, like most of these things inside, I think almost all of them did not come at once. They came differently, so I sort of like collected them and found this Taylor Swift box from Amazon and just put them all at once. But some of the products I've even been using, like this fitness tracker, the AirPods I used in my first video, and I will actually talk briefly about some of these things, and you might actually find them interesting. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Yes, so this is the box, and sorry, I wanted to make like a top shot of this video, but the person who helps me make this video sometimes isn't available. But well, this is not a new package. As you can see, it's already open, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the products one by one. First, open the box. Just some paper. We don't need that. Second is a case for my phone, and actually the phone I'm using is the Motorola P30P, which is a phone that was announced 2019, I think August 2019. And as a matter of fact, it's what I'm using to video or make this video right now, and it's actually good. I actually video on 4K for the fact that it supports 4K, and maybe I will make a video about it one day. And well, this is how the case is. Let me just open it. As you can see, it's just a case, but I actually enjoy using this case because it gives you a lot of grip, because this phone has a glossy back, and this really helps. It almost looks like all those Spigen cases. To the next one, we have, yes, if you have watched my first video, then you know what this is like. This is a sound pit, and yes, it brings out a lot of like sound quality. I talked about this in my first video when I was unboxing it. You might still check for other like unboxing and review, and this is actually a good pick. Like, it's an earbud. What much do I have to say? It's an earpiece. As you can see, I've been using this for long and it still serves me well. Like, it's a very good earpiece. So this is the earpiece, and it actually has a lot of features. Maybe if you order it, or if you can see the box. But well, an earpiece I don't think is something worth reviewing. You just have to go to the site, check it. If it's okay for you, then you can buy it. But I actually enjoy this earpiece. I think the company is GGMM. I'm not sure, but it also comes with like different air tips. And the second to the last is this is more fit. What I'm wearing right now, this is like fitness tracker, and this is really good because you can see your messages. You can like even track your phone from this. You can track your sports activities. It shows you your step, like everything that you need to get in a fitness tracker, and this is actually very good. I've actually said everything. You can see when you swipe like down, you check your notifications and go back with the right button, and like you can check everything that you need to check. Morphet is a company that is actually also growing, and they mostly make fitness trackers, and they also have an app called Very Fit Pro, something like that. And the last but not the least is, all know by now, this is the phone, like the box of the phone that comes in it. And as phones nowadays, maybe 2021 phones maybe don't come with a charging brick, this came with it, but it didn't come with an earpiece, for the fact that by then getting an earpiece is just like a bonus for you on the phone. And I actually appreciate it because I love wired earpiece, even though they are best of good earbuds coming out right now. But I actually appreciate this. Motorola, good job. And I think we're done because we're empty. And well, I actually enjoy making a lot of these videos, like talking about products, even though I can actually just find a trending topic to shed more light on. But I really love making hands-on product that you guys can see, and you can actually ask me how this product works. If this is this and this is this, I can actually even review the products. That is always good, and that is always one of my sincere love for making these videos. But well, I think that's been it. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you like any product here, you can hit me up and I'll tell you where to get exactly something like this. And I'm Cognito. I'm signing up.